Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 5, Organizing. People are the heart of every organization. In this chapter, we'll explore how business organize teams, define roles, and develop HR strategies for better performance. Tinh Hoa will guide you to learn Chapter 5 through Topic 1, Designing Organizational Structure. After studying this chapter, you should be able to use English to understand the concept, importance, and key components of organizational structure. Describe the HR management process, including recruitment, selection, and development. In this chapter, we study two topics. 1. Designing organizational structure. 2. Human resource management. Let's start with Topic 1, Designing organizational structure. We will learn to understand these contents. Understand the concept and importance of organizational structure. Identify different types of organizational structures. Analyze their advantages and disadvantages. Let's start by understanding the concept of organizational structure. Now, we will move to organizational structure. Organizational structure is the way in which an organization arranges people in jobs so that work can be performed efficiently and goals can be achieved. To make the definition clear, let me give you an example of organizational structure. Apple follows a centralized structure where major decisions are made by top executives, especially under Steve Jobs' leadership. This ensures strict control over product design and market strategy.
Moving forward, let's discuss span of control and chains of command. First is span of control. Span of control, the number of employees that a manager can effectively oversee directly. And the second is chains of command, the hierarchical system that defines who has decision-making, authority, and responsibility within organization. Here we have some explained for span of control and chains of command. Example, at one month, store manager offer oversee 20 to 30 employees across various departments. This was span of control is cost-effective and encourage employee autonomy, but can result in less supervision and slower response to individual concern. Another example, Google flexible chains of command. Employees can directly share ideas with executives, promoting innovation but reducing hierarchy clarity. Coming to the third thing of organizational structure is centralization and decentralization. Centralization, decision-making authority is concentrated at the top level of organization. Decentralization, decision-making authority is distributed to lower level, allowing for more flexibility. The final part of organizational structure is formalization. The extent to which rules, produce, and role within an organization and explicitly define and document. Now we have two examples for centralization and decentralization. Centralization example, McDonald's operates under a centralized structure, ensuring all franchises follow strict operational guidelines. Decentralization example, Google followed a decentralized model where divisions like YouTube and Android have independent decision-making power. And the last one is two examples of formalization. FedEx, high formalization. McDonald's, employees follow strict rules for food preparation and service, ensuring consistency. Second X, low formalization, Google. Employees have flexibility in the work, encouraging creativity but reducing uniformity.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the factors affecting organizational structure. Determine the design of organizational structure includes four elements: organizational environment, technology, strategies, human resources. Now, we will move to the next part, designing organizational structure. In this part, we will learn this contains functional structure, hierarchy structure, and matrix structure. Designing organizational structure is the process of defining and organizing roles, authorities, and workflows to optimize business operations. This is an example of designing organizational structure. Startups may use a flat structure for flexibility. Large corporations may adopt a divisional structure for better market management. The next content is functional structure. The organization is divided into departments based on functions such as marketing, finance, human resources, and productions. Advantage: high specializations, increase operational efficiencies. Disadvantage: potential conflicts between departments, difficulty in cross department coordinations. For example, Unilever operates with a functional structure where the marketing department handles branding and advertising, the R&D department develops new products, the finance department manages budgets and financial performance. This structure enhances specializations but may slow cross department communications.
And the second is hybrid structure, a combination of two or more organizational models to leverage the advantage of each. Advantage: flexible and adaptable to change. Disadvantage: can be complex or may lead to overlapping responsibilities. For example, Samsung follows a hybrid structure. Functional structure at the corporate level, it has R&D, finance, HR, and marketing teams. Divisional structure at the product level, separate division for smartphone, TVs, and semiconductor. Finally, let's discuss the matrix structure. Matrix structure: employees report to different managers, typically one by function and one by project. Advantage: maximize resource utilization and fosters collaboration. Disadvantage: can create confusion in responsibilities and conflict in authority. Example: Boeing follow a matrix structure. Engineers belong to board and the technical department and a specific aircraft project. This optimizes expertise sharing but may create conflict when different managers have competing priorities. In this lesson, we explore organizational structure and their real-world application. A well-designed structure boosts efficiency and adaptability. Choosing the right one depends on strategy, environment, and technology. Understanding this concept will help future managers keep business competitive.